So I saw your question on discussion board. You're trying to find the present value given the future value that you need is $4,500. You're going to deposit the money at 5.5% compounded annually for 1 year. So how much do you need to deposit to end up with $4,500? Well, on page 674, you'll find this formula here. The present value equals a future value, all divided by quantity 1 plus R, which is the interest rate, closed quantity raised to the n power. So the future value you want to have is $4,500. R is the interest rate. It's the 5.5% compounded annually. You got to change it to decimal. You got to move the decimal 2 places to the left and make it 0.055. N is the number of times it's going to compound. So it's compound annually means once a year for 1 year. So n's just a 1. So the denominator is just 1.055. I put this in a calculator and I come up with the present value is $4,265.40. Deposit that in there for 1 year at this rate. At the end of that year, you'll have $4,500. Hope this helps.